Hello everyone, welcome back to IPEC by Sounish. So today I have again come up with you can say fun problem from optics. So as you can see the thumbnail of the video, we are going to play pool with light. So I think most of you have played pool games. These are popular games, popularly known as cue sports, where a cue ball is used and cue stick is used, and most of you have played this either in offline or in the virtual world, I mean in online games. So inspired from that particular game, I have made this problem. So let's have a look at the problem. So this is the problem statement. There is an 8 by 6 inch pool table whose inner surfaces are made of plane mirrors. These are the inner surfaces you can see here. So all these surfaces are made by plane mirrors, and they are 100% reflecting mirrors. Okay, now a single light ray is released at an angle of 45 degree from the corner A. So this is the corner A, and single light ray is released from here. Now here every pocket, you can see four pockets are there, A, B, C, D. So every pocket has been given a score. Here you can see that A1, B2, C3 and D4. Now you have to find that how much did this ray score at the end. Either it scored 1, 2, 3 or 4 or nothing. That is also possible. It got trapped in this system forever. So this is the problem, and this is not very thought-provoking problem. It's a simple problem, just you have to be a little bit of analytics is there. So try this problem and try to give the answer at the comment section, and I will be back with its solution video very soon. So one point more, at the last video I have launched a course for JEE Mains revision. So I think many of you have seen that video, and those who haven't seen that video, please watch that video. The revision course will be on YouTube, and I will give you as I've said on that video, that I will give you a set of problems. You have to attempt them and I will discuss them. So this is a revision through problems. I am not uh, eager to discuss the theory again. No, I am not going to discuss the theory again. It's your duty to read the theory from your copy or notes or your favorable books. Read the theory, all the formulas, then attempt the problems I give, and then come on the discussion video. Okay, so I have discussed in details in that video, so you can check that video. So try this problem and write the answer in the comment box. Bye.